It's your boy Rocks in the mix. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. He's a lay beggar, island of the fire walking. Oh, 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 oh. From the misty peaks down to the shore, a beauty like I've never seen before. I start my journey where the sun first wakes, in Dakuni village as the morning breaks. Through Soliaga the spirit is strong, in Nativa I hear the island song. Every woman I meet has a heart of gold, a story of grace that's yet to be told. I wander down to Ravi sand, the finest soil in all the land. In Lalati the hibiscus bloom so red, reflecting the words that the elders said. Then to Dakuni Beqa where the firewalkers stand, and village of lush and green land. The women of Beqa, they carry the light, shining like stars in the middle of the night.
Rosi, Beqa, looking so fine with a smile like the sun. You're a gift divine. Your laughter rings out like the waves on the shore. In my heart I couldn't ask for more. Rosi, Beqa, sweet island flower. You give me strength, you give me power. Beautiful smiles like your sandy beaches, a love that the deep blue ocean teaches.
Moving down to Rukwa, the view is so fine. And now I some more the gentle sea breeze blows. From the hills of the interior to the salt of the sea, the beauty of nature is calling to me. Not just the palms or the coral so bright, but the kindness of sisters who make it feel right. A bula greeting and a hand to hold, the greatest treasure that's ever been sold. Oile
naivi samuluti odina. So one heart, from this island I'll never depart. So fine with a smile like the sun, you're a gift divine. Your laughter rings out like the waves on the shore.